Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard vibration strength on Keypress for Google Keyboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application and find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls various settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now, locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Preferences option and tap on it. Scroll down and find the Vibration Strength on Keypress option. Tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, adjust the vibration strength on Keypress NS to set and change it instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.